Hey, and thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. And I'm not saying that because of the weekend. I'm saying that because this is the day God has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. And hear what? This week we've dealt with the parables, at least some of them. I'm going to the last one that we're dealing with this week, and it's found in Matthew 25, beginning at verse 31. And let me read how it starts. But when the Son of Man comes in his glory, and all the angels with him, then he will sit upon his glorious throne. All the nations will be gathered in his presence, and he will separate the people as a shepherd separates the sheep from the goats. He will place the sheep at his right hand and the goats at his left. Clearly, God is making the statement here that eventually there will be a time of judgment. And this judgment is going to be based on what we did with Jesus. How did we honor him? How did we obey him? How did we place ourselves to be of service to the King in his kingdom? That, to my mind, is such a crucial space. Because he says when he comes, those who have served him to the right, those who have rejected him, or even those who would have heard him but not served him. And that to me would be the part that hurts me. Because the sheep are on the right, the goats are on the left, and it is so disheartening that judgment in any scenario is permanent. This is not a recovery situation. We have opportunity now to recover. Like the prodigal son, we could come back. Like the foolish virgins, we might miss this one, but once we're alive, we might be able to catch the other one. But in this scenario, there's going to be no recourse. And that is such a devastating position to be in. How would you like it? At the end of days, you're going to be talking about, I almost made it. I should have done it. No. Almost and should, too late. I admonish you. Serve God now. I admonish you. Honor Christ. Love God. Serve the King in his kingdom. And allow his will to be done through you. Be a sheep. According to this parable, be a sheep. Be the one who God not only challenges to do his will, but that you execute the will of the King. God bless you.